Hello everyone, welcome to class. My name is Adiola and I'm your head work tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful Arabian scarf. This scarf is inspired by leftover fabrics that I have and some trimmings. And I call it Arabian because it has this Arabic kind of style, the embellishments, the whole idea of just having a luxurious looking scarf instead of tying a normal scarf. Then you can embellish and make it look more glamorous. You can wear it on your abaya, kaftans, your bubu, and on the days that you just want to cover your hair. So in front of me I have the fabric called Duchess fabric, and 1 yard is enough. Although, like I said, this design is inspired by leftover materials that I have around me, so this is not up to 1 yard, but this same method applies to 1 yard, which is 36 by 60 fabric. So this is it right here. I like Duchess because of the shine. You see, it looks silky and very beautiful. And also you need fabric fringes. Any kind of fringes applies. If you decide to use beaded fringes, that's also fine. And also I have leftover pieces of my trimmings right here that I'm going to be using to embellish the top part of my scarf. So quickly, let's go right into making this. It's not going to take much of your time. You'll be surprised how easily you can create this in few minutes. First of all, don't forget I mentioned that you're going to be needing your 1 yard of fabric, but mine is not enough. But whatever the case, you're just going to fold your piece of fabric on bias like this. Fold it on a diagonal form, or in a diagonal form, or some people prefer to call it folding it on a bias. And I'm going to top stitch the edges like this. So you fold the two edges inward and do a top stitch all the way down here and also to this part right here. So you want to leave this place open. You can iron it if you want, but ensure that you close up the edges using top stitch. And that's what I'm about to do. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to come back to show you how it looks like. It's so easy, super easy to make. So here is how it looks like. So the next step is just to pin down the fringes and then I sew. So I pin it down. Really easy. And then you stitch straight. So you get to this point and then you continue from here all the way to the other side. So can you see how it looks really beautiful on the edges? I haven't ironed this out yet. I just want to show you the process, and I can do the ironing behind the scene. So next thing is to arrange my lace trimming at the front part. So don't forget, this is a leftover that I have, and I'm just trying to put the pieces together. And I'm going to use UHU to stick this together. So now it's time for me to glue. So this is what I have right here. So this is going to stay in the middle of the head. And can you see how it looks? So beautiful. So check out our Arabian scarf inspired by leftover fabrics. I don't know why I'm calling it that, but that is what it is. Thank you so much for joining in. I look forward to seeing your own practical. My name is Adela once again. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.